Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Peru from jamtoursafrica.com family. Guys, you guys been asking me to do a farming video. As you know, guys, our brother from the UK started up the mushroom business family, and he's actually, you can be a part of this mushroom business because this market is on top here in Kenya, and the weather and everything is right for mushroom family. So, you know, we're on the Kiambu side, and we're doing business in Kiambu. You know, Kenya is split up in so many. You have the hot side, where apples and mangoes, you know, do good. You know, but we also have the cold side family. So when you think about Kenya, Kenya is very diverse and very unique. And, you know, whichever part of Kenya you want to come and go and do farming, whatever product you're farming, it is possible family. So guys, we just want to let you guys know that today, just want to let you guys know that today, guys, you know, we're gonna show you guys the mushroom farm. I have a Jamaican brother from the States, and I have another, you know, Jamaican brother from Europe, another brother from the US. They want to take them to look at this opportunity, and I have a lot of people been requesting me to actually do this video about the mushroom business. So today, guys, you're gonna hear everything about the mushroom business. I know you can be a part of this, or you can make big money in Kenya family. So, you know what I mean, just to let you know, guys, that this mushroom business, you can make real money from it family by just investing in a couple dollars in this. So you don't have to be here family. So in this video, I'm going to take you you know, through the structure of this business. You're going to meet the you know what I mean, the man them behind this, yard man them behind this family. I have another yard man flying from the UK, and he started up his own thing family. So you guys are supposed to know, and as you guys know, you'll hear from the horse's mouth that you know what I mean, mushroom is scarce, and they don't even have enough production to supply the supermarkets and stuff like that. So you know what I mean, it's a big business. When these mushrooms grow, you don't have to think about, you don't have to go to look for sale, for buyer already waiting. So we just want to let you guys know that buyers are already waiting family. So guys, let's go.
It is different.
Yeah. Okay. Where?
In the US, they use 120 with the two plug.
Yeah. But does it work for you though? We buy the plug, right? Does it work?
No, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
The plug works for a phone because they had that charger.
Yeah,
but the minute you put it on the wall, it start acting crazy.
Oh yeah.
Because I tried it with the razors, and I was like, no, it's gonna fry my laptop.
I want a Jamaican brother who stay here. He actually staying here. So
he's staying here?
Yeah. So I'm trying to call him up here now.
Oh, he's still here?
Yeah, in this complex.
Oh, okay. I thought he was gonna stay here.
Yeah, so he's actually staying here. So I just let him know that.
So he's staying here just to visit?
Yeah, he's here to visit.
Nice.
They wanna come. Yo, where you there? Yeah, man. I can come out and meet you on the way. Let me wait for you then. Let me wait for you. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. So you went, where you went yesterday?
I went to the market here, walked around, got a lot of pictures. Then I took an Uber to the JW Marriott downtown.
GTC. Okay.
Walk around, went inside that little mall.
Yeah, that's not downtown. I want to show you downtown now to show you.
Oh, that's not downtown?
That's uptown Nairobi. Westlands is uptown Nairobi.
Oh, okay. All right. So I have to correct that. I'm like, oh, okay. That's good. Now we're going to go back to the real
downtown so you can see. I want to drive through downtown so you can see what's happening, you know, people move and stuff like that.
All right.
Downtown.
Okay. So maybe I'll take some more pictures.
Yeah. You got to take pictures.
People are just amazed of my pictures, man.
So who you show it to? Who you show it to?
I show it to all my coworkers.
Okay.
They're all on my Facebook.
Okay.
I must have at least 1,000 people watching this thing right now.
Oh yeah.
It's on TikTok, Facebook. It's on LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. Okay, nice.
Not LinkedIn. I mean Instagram.
Instagram. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So what your kids them saying? Your son?
Man, they wish they had come.
Okay.
Cause I was telling
you telling me, oh, go and get your passport. We're going to Nairobi. They thought it was a joke.
It was a joke. And then when I finally said, okay, guys, you guys not ready. February is the time leaving. They didn't do anything.
So you just leave.
So I figured they were like, oh, I'm not going to say nothing, but I don't want to go.
That's definitely, they don't want to go, so they just don't say nothing.
Right. So I like that day was coming. I just got up and just like, I'm heading to the airport. Like, what?
So what about, you went to the national park, and you go to 4 places.
Yeah.
As I said, guys, we have this, you know what I mean, everybody should get this tour when you come to Kenya.
Yeah.
It's like, you get to see the animals you always been seeing on TV, in real life, in real colors, in the natural states.
Yep.
So you go to the national park, you go to Giraffe Center, you go to Karen Blixen, you go to Animal Orphanage for one price.
Yeah.
And you can choose what you want to do. Is a small car, not a sedan car, a Land Cruiser, and if you come with a group, so a Land Cruiser can hold like 7. So if you have like coming in a group, it's perfect. It's like $200 per person.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If it's gonna take the small car, you alone and you're somebody, it's gonna be like maybe $250 family. You know what I mean? Because the less people, you pay a little bit more. But if you have a group, it's way cheap, family, way cheap. But if you have a group of like 20 people, use the coaster, it can be way cheaper than that, family. So, you know what I mean? It's my brother I just come in. Yeah, that brother I live over here too,
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, come on,
No, man, we are for the mushroom farm.
a mushroom farm.
A Jamaican brother from the UK.
I'm a mushroom farm. Hold on.
I want to drive through downtown and show you the downtown.
Okay, one second.
So where they pan?
What time you come back?
Well, I don't know, Are you have something for do?
Well, Mr. Man, I always work,
Oh, well, you don't know, sir. You know what I mean? Unexpected work coming in, and that's some of the best work that.
You know what, still. But
Yeah, so where I go?
No, because me have like brother, me have like 1,000 video for edit and.
Don't worry about the video, man. Just worry about making content. That's the most important thing, is to get the footage.
That me I do every day.
Because it's when you go back home now,
Yeah.
you just relax, and every day you come like you're still at work.
Yeah,
So you have to do it.
As some property, me they go look onto,
Where?
down the street, yeah. Because you know, but they feel like the vibe what you show me there, nice still, but
Yeah, man.
No, no.
Another thing, me, I can do those things together.
sorry, but what's your name? Sorry.
Alex.
Alex.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
You sound American, Alex.
I'm from New York.
You're from New York?
Yeah.
Okay, I used to live in Connecticut.
New Jersey, right. I live in Jersey. I work in New York back and forth.
I've been to Jersey once.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm in Stamford, Connecticut.
Stanford. Okay.
Yeah.
I know what that is.
Yeah? You know where that is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been there.
One ride from the Grand Central
Yeah,
Station.
I've been there.
This guy is all over the world.
Yeah, man. I got a green card as well, green card, but I
Uh-huh.
haven't really used it that much because I live in Norway.
I don't know. If
Oh,
we
you
get
live
that-
in Norway
if
now?
we get that green card,
Okay.
just I use that green card. Anyways,
Mhm.
I don't want to see them thing here because them track way.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys,
Oh yeah, Philip.
let's go.
No, it's bad. What's bad no, it's good.
Yeah, family. So we're there downtown Nairobi. Alex first time seeing this place. I think was gonna do a drive-through. And when you come to Kenya, family, this is very important for you. Now you take out the camera and start showing. So you see the action, how people move in Nairobi. You see how we're going in the heart of Nairobi now, so you can see traffic.
Crazy there, man.
At the roundabout, continue straight.
Yeah. Over here they keep the Sean Paul show.
Sean Paul. Oh, right here?
Okay.
When was the Sean Paul show?
Like 2 months ago.
That must be a roadblock.
Yeah. I'm going to see Rastafari.
It's an accident. Or protest.
John
It's a
was
protest. You need to turn back.
well, they say protests are going family. Now let's turn back. Let's turn around, turn around. Oh, they're actually dumb. Something that them are protest. So it's like
Disabled.
disabled people
Protesting.
protesting.
Disable or they dumb?
Disable.
I mean, it's still the same.
No, but if you're dumb, that means you can't talk.
But that's the
If
thing.
disabled, that means,
That's the thing in
physically
Kenya.
Impaired.
In Kenya, that's the only place you see that happen because in some country, the disabled people are not talk.
Right.
You see them out here now protesting.
There's
that's
different
just-
level of disability. You know, you can't walk, you can't talk,
Yeah.
maybe you
But see
can't
some of them,
hear.
yeah.
So they give you a New York.
Yeah, family. So we there. I want to be another boy.
Yeah, until you get 3 boys, you're gonna ball for the girl.
Yeah, family. So we there with Jamesh, enjoying the cool breeze. Enjoying the cool breeze, eh? Mr. Cool Breeze.
I was upset. This place looks like the Caribbean.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So you guys know. Subscribe to my brother channel.
Yes, yes.
You know what I mean.
Peace and love, you know.
Link will be in the description.
Yeah, man, one love.
All right. So let's go.
Banana.
Yeah, let me go and get it now. So I want a Jamaica rag. So I have like 2, so I'm gonna lend him one. I'm not give him, I'm gonna lend him. Yeah, so see it, yeah? I'm not give him, lend me, I lend him.
Lend me. Jesus Christ. We're there. Yes, sir. We gotta take all the old and bring in the new.
Yeah.
Represent right away.
Yeah, man. See, you're so cool and nice.
Yes.
Yeah, man, nice place.
You got Mr. Anker.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What the game has changed. Yes, sir.
All right, family, let's go.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're there. We are got the mushroom farm. I see the team there. Out with the team, we are every. Hey, if I'm going to put me by the camera, you see? Hey, make sure you're not here, you know? Yeah. Walk on. What are you dealing? You follow no man. Come in. There, man. You know what I mean when I say walk on? Tommy.
Tommy. Out of Nairobi?
Yeah, man, like 20 minutes on Kimbo Road, Kimbo area.
Okay, guys. We're 20 minutes out of Nairobi. Just past Campbell Road. This is the mushroom farm.
Yeah, family. So we're there today, guys. You know, you guys been requesting for me to be on the mushroom farm a very long time. But today, we're actually on the mushroom farm and we're going to show you some content of what we are doing. That's what I say. So let's go inside and see.
The baby start.
Yep, so this is a grow house.
So this is what? This is what now, Junior?
So this is a grow house.
A grow house.
So this is not where the mixture is done. We bring it here.
Oh, you bring it here? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's cool. So
Wait, you mind the camera?
no, no.
Where's the grow house? What do you mean?
grow house is where we will keep them to grow out.
Okay, like
We don't, yeah, we don't farm them in the soil.
Okay, so this is a seedling or the babies? Or the baby plant?
No, this is just the seedlings already in there. That's
Okay.
what's colonizing the bag.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, see,
Okay,
it's
okay,
coming
okay.
up there.
So
Okay,
we're gonna
wow.
put a case in like 1 inch of soil on top of this.
Okay.
Then the mushroom will shoot
So,
through that.
how long the mushroom will take to come up?
About 7 days or so.
7 days?
Yes,
after-
after case.
After casing, you go for 2 weeks and then you do the watering, watering, and then after that, you just give it 7 to 5 days.
Okay.
And then you transplant it.
Now
No,
you're
no, no.
harvesting. They grow in here.
Oh, they're growing here?
Yeah.
Oh, you're harvesting 7 days?
Now we are preparing for the casing.
Yeah?
Yeah, the casing is whereby the main reason for casing is to prepare, is to have a humid climate for the mycelium
Okay.
underneath the casing.
Okay.
Yeah, to prepare something good for the casing.
This is the casing?
No, the casing will be
gonna
done.
go on
Now
top.
we are opening the bags.
The bugs. Okay.
So that we can do the casing. You can see the casing soil and everything for the
Outside.
material for tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll be doing the casing for all the bags. Korea, come.
You know, I'll be
Maybe-
coming here every day now,
There's-
uncle, to
there-
watch this grow and process. Because I live just around the road. So
Korea can, there was some. We have few bags that we have done the casing. Maybe he can show.
Can you explain the process, brother?
Yeah, so basically what we have here is the substrate, which is like, I want to say the fertilizer for mushroom growing.
Right.
So what we've done with the casing is this bag is cased. So the casing is basically adding the soil.
Okay.
The soil itself is virgin soil.
Where do you get the soil from?
Forest. Deep in the forest.
Oh wow, that's
It's
good.
supposed to be, doesn't have to be half fertilizer or
Yeah,
anything.
it should be natural. Yeah,
So
nice.
Then you add a bit of lime, and then you add
Why you add the lime?
Yes.
Why?
Add the lime so that you can
pH.
pH.
That's
Exactly.
See, I know my alkaline stuff, family.
Yeah, so basically once we do that, as you can see, it's starting to be white. We have a bag. We can actually show you if you can follow me. That has.
So let's see what I go on, people. Let's see what I go on. When Jamaican touch the road, you don't know where they go.
It's becoming white. What
Yes.
we'll do now is we'll work on the water, and then in 2 weeks' time, and then we'll also work on the temperatures. Because temperature is also very important.
Yes.
Yeah, especially right now, since you're doing colonization, it's supposed to be around 20. The highest you can do is 27 degrees. But we normally prefer 24.
That's in the bag or in the whole environment?
Whole environment. That is very important if you're doing mushroom farming. Your environment is really important.
Yeah.
So it come up after 7 days?
No, after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
So when do you harvest?
Yeah.
After doing the casing, I have is after 2 weeks.
So guys, this is like
It's a whole
Like-
process, but then it's very simple, it's quick, and it's amazing to do.
yeah, man.
How many times you use the same bags? For the same reuse?
Okay, so what normally happens is we have what we call flashes, and of which flashes is when now you start harvesting. So the first time you get your flash, that is your first harvest.
Okay.
You don't throw away the bags.
Exactly. So
Because then after like a week, you can get another flash. You can go up to 3 to 4 times.
Flush, do you mean by growth?
Growth.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
So you can use this like twice
He said 3-4 times.
before you change it?
Yeah, 2 to 4
Oh,
times.
2 to 4 times?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
wow.
when you can harvest like from a bag.
Okay, interesting. Wow.
Do you need the whole thing?
Yes, the entire thing. We just get the warehouse and build it. As I said, guys, if you're serious about this mushroom business, you can partner and team up with Jam Tours. We can create something like this for ourselves. As you guys see, the expertise is here and everything. So, you know what I mean?
How many rocks you got?
So now, family, you guys been asking me about the business opportunity behind this. So let me actually, I'm a Jamaican brother. Give me some information about this. So, Uncle, when you tell me about the opportunity, the business side, let's go outside. Oh, so this is what? This is mushroom. Yeah, so this is the product, family. This is the product, guys. And if you're short-sighted, you might not see this. But, you know what I mean? The vision is clear. What we're developing and what we're coming up with right now. Right here. Yeah. So let's go, guys. Let me show you what I'm going and give you more information about this. Yeah, Uncle, come in.
Let me get something.
Yeah.
Let me get
This is the soil, family. It's virgin soil from the forest and mixed with some other mineral thing, cocoa peat, to create this thing, family. So when we talk about mushroom, a lot of people, you know what I mean, maybe feel like, this mushroom is very healthy because of what they use to actually,
and the
cleanliness and thing of it. So, you know what I mean?
You have any
And-
orders yet?
Orders? This is already book out already. Yeah, this already book out. So what I'm telling you guys, this opportunity, you know what I mean?
The protein.
And the funny thing,
You know,
I don't
people
see
trying
this
to
quality in
trying to
America.
trying to
You
cut
never
off
see those quality
meats
in
and stuff.
No, it's only leaf you see in America.
Yeah.
You don't have stars. You hear me price, but you don't have it sure.
Okay, but in Jamaica and certain countries, mushrooms are not known. Like I didn't really know about mushrooms until I went to Norway to live.
Yeah.
Like mushrooms are good in Jamaica. What about when it's poisonous?
Yeah, on a small scale. It's not
Once I
really
see in
known.
America,
It's
we
not
like
known
just
heat.
poison.
They don't recognize it.
Umbrella.
So
mushrooms are good in Jamaica.
no, but naturally,
consumers. Okay, do mostly the psychedelic ones in Jamaica.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
So like
For the
the
medicine.
Ochi and Moby around them areas, them do them stuff around them here,
but you know that
not on the commercial scale like commercial, but
Yeah.
consumer. You mind the camera? Kinda.
kind of.
So, alright, I'm gonna advise step on it, my voice, alright.
Yeah.
These gentlemen don't want to go on the camera, but they're gonna explain it to me. So, I've got the face for reader.
Made your face.
Alright, listen. Alright, what I'm saying still, like, for me, for us in Jamaica, We only see it as a kid. You hear say a duppy umbrella.
Yeah, and you should see it grow from the earth,
Yeah.
like stuff like that. Yeah,
mess with it.
yeah.
It's only when you go. Yeah. Because many things in Jamaica we don't value. When we go abroad, people are saying,
Yeah, people,
"Oh,
yeah. Pumpkin seed, they can buy pumpkin seed and eat over here like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But when you, what in Jamaica, when almond, you know almond? Almond?
Oh, yeah, almond, yeah.
Jamaica jump off a tree.
Almond flakes.
Yeah.
All of this thing, yeah.
So, but now, now we have them church.
Moringa, grow wild.
Moringa, yes.
Last few years.
Yes.
Sure. It's only last year. Moringa
Before
grew.
commercialized.
Yeah.
Yes. The things that we have in our women are submissive.
Yeah, 100%.
Some of them.
Yeah.
Some of them.
100%.
Learning the western side.
So?
Yeah.
Some of them.
I would say the ones that come from like the country or village, you know?
Yeah. You have to go outside now.
Well, in Nairobi, one them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
In Nairobi, one them
Too
actually,
fast.
them kind of in a small way, but they're better than the West. They're better than the West. They're better than the West, but by far. Yeah.
When I speak to the men, they tell me that, when I speak to Kenyan men, they told me that Kenyan woman is not submissive. They only listen to you if you have money. And I'm like, so hold on this. So that means the same thing in the West then.
That's women though.
That's woman nature. That's female nature. That's female nature.
Take a man we have something. Cause my sister, I don't want to take no man when I have nothing.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, so you see the thing said, so it's just logics of life.
I mean like,
Yeah.
for example, if you're in a relationship with a woman right now, right? And say for example, you have a 9 to 5, and you're not a rich guy. Is she gonna listen to you? In a Kenya?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
She will listen to her foreign.
Yeah.
Some of them will.
Some of them will?
Yeah, most of them would listen.
Most of them will listen to you?
Yeah, most of them will. Yeah, man, I'm telling you. Like, once they can.
We are a bit westernized, they're not
And bad as well.
they're not even half.
Once they can provide food, shelter, not even transport, they're good. Yeah.
They don't have as much demand.
Not as much demand. Yeah.
You gotta find one that's gonna come up with you.
Yeah.
So they're submissive, but you still, it's not.
There's still stages.
They're still I personally believe that woman is woman anyway.
Anyway, that's nature. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah.
That's what it is. And I think women should strive for man we have something because every man have different. That's why you can be something.
Yeah.
No, you're right. I'm just saying that in the West,
This is deep.
woman is not submissive really.
Bro, you could have the biggest bench, you could have the
They still a disrespect you.
No, but they will listen to you. The more money you have, I tell you.
No, even you have money, they still not listen to you.
Because once that money gone, what am I going to do?
Yeah.
No, this is my brethren, we having big things and most time in go home single and a girl to go.
Yeah.
If you have a Buddha, you say you have 10 girls.
Yeah. Even the money don't come on job, still have a wife. Yeah.
Most men don't have no woman.
In America.
In
New York.
Because these girls are crass.
They can't talk to them. They're not submissive.
You can't do that comparison.
No, but when I speak to the men here, me I get the same kind of reaction I get in
Listen to me, I saw a pretty girl
I think
one
it's
day.
because what they used to.
I saw a pretty girl one day.
They're used to
and I
something
said to
way
her,
more submissive than
Yo,
us.
yeah.
Submissive
Yeah.
But to us, they're not.
They're nice, because we are come from.
Did that tape? Alright, hear this. I saw a pretty girl one day and I'm like, hi beautiful. And she was
Here?
no in America.
In America.
New York, she said, hi beautiful. And she was like blazing us. As soon as we said working, and the cross is I thought she was a cop. She's selling.
Oh, wow.
Working. And you use that language.
Working. Yeah, Bumbo Clan, working.
Me almost run. Come my star up me down and I say, no, go on, me not trust you. A pretty girl like you. Yes. That's how you.
Yeah, family, so this is the man behind the mushroom. You're going to explain the entire process to you guys so you can understand. So this is a grow house family. So explain.
This is a grow house, but we will go to the farm where we do the whole thing, where we prepare the substrate, all the materials, where everything is. We have other grow houses there, but these are different setup.
Different setup. Yeah.
You know, this one is automated, but the other one we are using natural.
No, natural. Okay.
Yes.
This one is like greenhouse.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we will explain when we go to the farm. You see the whole thing, how we do everything. We have the bunker, we have the tunnel, how the preparation is, how many days, so that we can explain the whole process from 1 to Z. Yes.
So talk about, so somebody see this now and want to be a part of it. You know what I mean? How they be a part? Like you know, as I said, you know what I mean, I would love for anyone who looking to relocate to Africa, to Kenya, this can be a stream of income for you guys. And you know, I promote for people to actually
The extension.
yeah, uncle. Yeah, family, so something that mix up here, something you don't know what this.
You know here?
No, where's the one? The power bank.
Extension, the power, no, near the power bank. That's the card one.
Yeah, this is the money.
Where the money, brother? Oh, didn't it? Oh, they come with it.
So, Junior, where you see this now?
It's just a case inside of it mixed with lime.
The same thing that
Yeah, in the back.
mixed with lime. So how much lime will you use on this? Only for lime?
2 bags.
2 bags. Crocus bag.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Guys, now I get real blood clot.
Real.
Yeah, we are going next. We are them products from them people. Yeah. So this actually soil rich family. Rich. Until I say soil rich, when you get the mushroom.
2 bags, so how many? So 8?